Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your reputation or campaign progress must unlock the night vision tech. Once that's ready, gather the blueprint, one NV lens, and a power cell from missions, shops, or crates. Open the crafting bench now, select the night vision module, and hit craft. You should see an estimated craft time and material list. Make sure you have the components equipped in your inventory before confirming. This gets you the basic gear. Next, you'll install and configure it for use in the field. Once done crafting, equip the night vision module into your helmet or accessory slot. The UI will show the module icon. Make sure to assign a quick toggle hotkey or bind it to the HUD quick use wheel so you can switch on the go. Next, invest available skill points into vision or electronics upgrades to improve range and reduce noise. This matters for spotting enemies. Also check modulation options, power draw versus clarity. After configuration, practice switching in a low-risk area to confirm brightness and range settings. To finish, enter a dark area and toggle night vision on using your assigned key. Monitor power cell percentage and watch for overheating or cooldown indicators. If runtime is short, swap to a fresh power cell or enable low power mode to extend duration. Make sure HUD contrast is adjusted so enemies remain visible. If night vision won't activate, first re-equip the module and check inventory for a charged power cell. If that fails, restart the game. This resolves most activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.